Hello, very good morning friends and a warm welcome from me. Today I'm going to explain you how to create a very simple billing software using Microsoft Excel. Actually the interface is not quite good, but here you need to understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, how to apply formulas and many things ahead to create the software, so then you can do anything depending upon a requirement on your requirements. Okay, later on I know that the look of this Excel is not so professional, so later on you can apply this concept as well in Access, or you can MS Access, or you can use it to Visual Studios and many more softwares ahead. So let's see, understand the basic concept first. Okay, so for that we need to open a MS Excel blank MS Excel sheet. Suppose here I'm going to create a simple billing software for Kirana store, general store. Okay, so first of all we write the name of Kirana store. Okay, right. So it's I would I would increase, make it bold. I will increase the size because this would be our store name. If I would wish to color set the color background, then you can as well do. Okay, let's do that. Below to that I mention the address. If you wish, I would like to enter my address here. Okay. Uh, okay, that's it. So since this is subheading, so I would make it a little bit bold and big. I can also change the color of the background. Let's see, that's okay. Suppose that and I would create my requirements. Suppose that I have my certain requirements, that serial number would be there, SL dot no serial number of the product. Okay, product name would be there definitely. So PARTICULARS, particulars would be there. I would drag and increase the size because it's showing that here it is not getting fit here. So right, so after that I will write here rate, the rate of the product. After that write here the quantity, and here the amount. Okay, so since these all are to be in center, so we would do it this, that this should be always in center, right? Since they are headings, so I would make it a little bit bolder and bigger. Okay, so now what to do is that's good. Okay, right, since they are headings, so we would cover change the color as well of the background. They look good. I would keep it as like this. Any of the color you wish, you can select. I believe that this is good. Okay, so let's see. Now let's write here total. TOTAL. I would get a total of products. Color it as well. Okay, so let's see, and this will be the box where the value of total would come. So right, I would also like to change the interface here, and this is all things, color interface. So let's see, I will select the color interface a bit cyan. Right, so make it red. So what to do now? the question is. Okay, now the main thing is that applying formula. Suppose any customer came, you are going to sell them soap. Lux soap. Okay, rate is 10 rupees. Quantity, suppose if I purchase 5 pieces. Okay, so what would be an amount? Here you have amount. So here the main thing is that how to create formula. Just what you need to do is that just you are creating a formula. You know that if you multiply both the rate and quantity will get the amount. So what we need to do here is that we just click in the amount field here. Okay, required field. After that we press here equal to button. After that we are going to multiply, press this right here, because we are going to multiply this and this. So we will first click here. It has selected the H6 row, okay, position, and after that we have to, since if we will get the total here equal to this thing, if we would multiply this and this, then we will press here multiply single, star single on the keyboard. Okay, and to whom we are going to multiply with this quantity. So we would again click here, right? So once we do that, we have created a formula. That means this whatever this row is in, whatever is in this row will be multiplied, will get the amount. Okay, and once we do the save here, it will create an amount. Okay, save it. And similarly, but this formula has been applied for this row only. Now we want the similar thing to happen with this all. Okay, so what we do that, we will click and hold here, and we will drag for all of these 10 rows. Once you do that and do a save, all the formula will be automatically applied for each and every rows right here. Okay, so now suppose if any customer, what to do that, suppose we had created a formula. Okay, now suppose any customer came and he asked for something else. Suppose that he is asking for salt, 2 packets salt, give me 2, rate is 5 rupees, 15 rupees per kg. Okay, 15 rupees, and he is willing to get 2 packets salt. So automatically it will create, see, automatically it has generated 30 rupees. Okay, see right here. Okay, the amount is calculated automatically by multiplying this. Similar thing is that suppose third he is demanding for anything else, Boro plus. Rate is 25 rupees, and he is asking for 5 packets. Then automatically it will calculate. You need not to do anything. Suppose if you have to also configure this total field, that how to calculate automatically these all things. So basically what exactly is that, you have here, you also need to create the formula. This box you are going to calculate. So click over here, press on equal to button from your keyboard. Now what exactly is this? Summation of these all things. So press here. After that click plus, after that again click plus, press plus, again click plus, again click plus, again click plus, again click plus, and do the same for all rows. Okay, and save it. Once you do that, automatically it will create the formula. It will add everything. In the similar scenario, now if you add something else, you can do this by summation as well. You need not to add plus, give plus sign. You can give this auto sum symbol which is here. You can also configure like this. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, I am understanding you in this way. Okay guys, so let's see. Suppose if customer asks for something else, like 1 kg rice, rate is suppose 45 rupees kg, and if he is willing to get 10 kg, so if you write here or and click somewhere else, it will automatically calculate and add to this value as well, total. Right, so guys, this is a very simple thing. If suppose once this format is created, your bill is ready. Suppose if you want to print it, go to your printout to your customer, go to print, and see the print preview. You'll find it that you can zoom it from here or give a print to him. Okay, suppose new customer came, then vacant these all things. Okay, vacant these all these values, and again you can use for new customers. Okay, so that's it guys, and those later on, of course its look is not pretty good, but if you implement it, this concept in Visual Studios, which I would show in later on, and so guys,